Poseidon is the mighty Olympian god of the sea, earthquakes, and horses. He is usually shown holding his trident, a weapon that could stir the oceans and split the earth. Sailors prayed to him for calm waters, knowing his moods could decide their fate. His temper was feared across the ancient world. When angered, Poseidon unleashed storms and quakes powerful enough to level cities. Yet he also gave horses to humankind, a gift of strength and speed. Poseidon once competed with Athena for Athens. He offered the first horse while she gave the olive tree. The people chose Athena, leaving Poseidon furious.